Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Poddar. I am part of Informatica GCS team. As a part of today's presentation, we are going to see how to create Source Mapplet Profile using Databricks Connector in Cloud Data Profiling. As a part of today's presentation, we will be covering on this agenda, overview, steps, followed by demo. Now let's see on overview. A source maplet is a maplet that has a source connection and a single output. You can run a profiling task on the output from a source maplet created in the data integration. Additionally, you can run a profiling task on the maplet when it is connected to the source object. Before using this maplet as a source connection, ensure that the source connection within the maplet are linked with the active secure agent machine. Now let's see on this step how we can create source maplet and run profiling on source maplet in cloud data profiling. To start, first create the Databricks connector from IDMC. Next, go to data integration and create a maplet. The default logic for maplet will be input to output, but you need to remove the input and replace it with the source transformation. And then you need to specify the necessary connection and the object level details in the source transformation. Once you update the necessary details in the source transformation, select the output object from the maplet and pass the profitable field to the output. Once you have created a maplet, you need to go to the data profiling. Under the data profiling, you need to create a new profile and you need to select the connection as a maplet. So this connection will be by default in the connection list. There is no any requirement for creating the separate maplet connection from the administrator. So select the connection as a maplet, and after that you need to import the maplet from this connection details. Now let's see on demo how we can follow these steps and create source maplet and run profiling on this source maplet. Currently, source maplet using Databricks Connector is only supported for ODBC type Databricks connection. This is my ODBC type Databricks connection which I have created in my environment. If I perform the test connection, it should be successful. Yeah, this connection is successful. Now let's try to create a source maplet using this ODBC type Databricks connection. For that, go to data integration service from here, click on new, click on maplets and select the maplet, create. So this is the maplet UI. You need to remove this input transformation from this UI and import the source transformation. Connect the source transformation with the output port, select the source, and in this source you need to select the ODBC type Databricks connection. This is my ODBC Databricks connection. Now import the table. For that, click on object, I'll be importing this table, that is as a target. I'm successfully able to import the table. Let's validate the field. As you can see, field has also get displayed. In this video, I'll be showing you the source maplet profiling using this simple source maplet having the source and output. You can use the transformation or your own logic as per your requirement. Now once you imported the table to the source object, click on this output and click on output field. You need to create the output field as per the source. So name the output field SNO. The type is integer for the one underscore output. Similarly, you can create the column as per your requirement. I am creating as per my source object. Now once you created the fields, click on field mapping and map the field. I have mapped the field with this output port. Click on save. My maplet is saved successfully and my maplet name is maplet 10. Now click on this data integration and select the data profiling for running this profile on the source maplet. Once you are logged into data profiling, click on new and click on data profiling task. Name your profile ODBC Databricks Source Mapplet file, and once you update the name, select the connection. You need to select the connection Mapplet. Click on this drop down menu or search the Mapplet from here. This Mapplet connection will be by default in this source detail. It is not required to create this separate connection with the name Mapplet from the administrator. Now once you select the Mapplet, here in the source object you need to select the Mapplet. So my Mapplet name was Mapplet 10, which I have created from the data integration. Select the Mapplet 10. As you can see, my Mapplet is imported successfully. Now scroll down and select the field where you want to run the profiling. Once you selected the field, click on rules. You can specify the rule as per your requirement. Once updated the rules, click on schedule and select the runtime environment. Once you have updated the runtime environment, click on save. And run this profile. My profile job is started. As you can see, it's in the running state. Wait for the profiling to get completed. As you can see, my ODBC Databricks Source Mapplet profile is successful. So in this way you will be able to create Source Mapplet and run the profiling on the Source Mapplet. For more detailed information on how to create profile on Source Mapplet, please refer this documentation. We'd love to hear from you. You can send us a mail to supportvideos@infomedica.com or tweet us at twitter.com/infasupport. Thank you.